Got on the security camera video. All right, what happened with this one? There's a vehicle that you're going to see start flipping, run its side, tumbling over, approximately 53 seconds after the 9th minute at 3 o'clock. So it's 3:09 and about 52 seconds. This car was traveling there like looking like 80 miles an hour. The speed limit on the street is like 35. Well, it's not like it is 35. What happened after the collision was this. After this debacle transpired, one of the passengers were ejected. It seemed like he broke his hip, from what I understand, because I had a customer go over there. The one of the passengers was about to get arrested. But one of the other passengers that was driving that caused all this commotion was just belligerent at some point, punching the house. I know he's just upset, but you'll see all that in the after footage here after this video. But it was a sight, and I literally just pull up like a minute after. So this is just one of several accidents that happened on the street here. It's nothing special. It's just a crazy turn that people like to take at high speeds here. So the only thing I can do is just make it a source of entertainment. But here it is about to come up. I'm kind of curious how the bystander effect carried out when this took place. There's plenty of people out there with cell phones, so I'm sure that individual who wanted the other person to call the police, they could have called the police. So but I'll pull up shortly in my vehicle, my little Integra, and me and my customer's going to walk over there, and I'm going to get closer up footage. The exhaust of that car was literally not in the yard that you see to the right, but there's a house between where the car stopped and the yard where the exhaust system literally was laying. It separated from that car and was resting there. So there was several parts of that vehicle that were just totally detached from that car. It was a mess. But it was pretty interesting, and I'm kind of indifferent about the situation. I don't feel bad for the guys. He shouldn't have done what he done. Speed limit's there for a reason. Here you can see this truck here stopping. Some white guy get out and we're gonna go run to help these people. It would have.
Is there somebody on the ground?
Yeah, over there. I don't know how bad it is. What's going on? Was they flying? Like speeding?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's horrible. That's horrible.
They answered already. They won't answer over here. They did. I think the last race on the your first day. Are you good, bro? You're good. You're good. Just don't move. Just stay right there, my boy. Jump that way right there.
You alright, buddy?
What's the name of this?
That's cool, right?
Oh yeah.
Those are good notes.
Give them another time. I have to go on the emergency right on the chest.
Courtney, you get clear. Watch out. Alright, watch out. Watch out.
I think it's an accurate.
And they should move out from under that tree. They'll take care of that, y'all.
Calm down.
Sean, this is an accurate. It wasn't the owner. No? It wasn't the owner because he said, oh, you can slow it down. My partner's going to be mad at hell with me.
Mama, where you at? This leg.
See, you don't let nobody drive your car.
Oh no, you're right.
But they're not going to take care of it like you.
No, you're right.
The police is right here. Do you want to see South. South Mineral Springs. It's a long road. I'm going to let you talk to the lady who stay right here. It's a long road. Hello? 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 Hey, Malvin. Get hung up. 604 South.
I ain't getting ready to see you all this.
Oh, yeah, I've seen plenty of cars like go in a ditch and flip over there. One guy got killed over there a couple years ago. I'm glad. I remember there's like no kids and nobody was in the yard.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's still in school.
I remember I seen one time where a guy ran over a kid and I saw the rearview mirror. Yeah, and I knew the guy. Like, yeah. No, he ran off and I told on him like, shit, oh, this is my kid, I'll kill you. Like, yeah, look it. No.
Yeah, there's nobody get killed. Well, who was driving the car?
The guy, then one that's on the ground, obviously. I mean, he had to be the driver. Should be the one on the ground.
I seen him fly through the window.
You saw it? Oh, wow.
Okay, I
The
heard
front window?
I don't know which window, but when I looked out my side window, I just seen his body flying out.
Oh, wow.
It's not even like a couple line from another couple.
I thought first you said
Oh.
the baby came out of the window.
Oh.
I got
They need to know who he is.
Courtney,
What?
mind yours, though. Just mind yours.
Hey, at least they'll be just shut it up. So just shoot with him. I don't care. Just shut up.
This happened.
You're the bystander, right?
Oh, he the one. The one.
They don't want to come down and say it.
The one in the purple, pink pants.
They just put things in.
Yeah, on the other side.
Oh.
That's like a safety place.
No, I'm not gonna push it back this way.
Oh, his back broke. I think his hip broken.
Everybody's just like cheating.
He might be paralyzed right now. I think he might be paralyzed. His hip broke. Yeah. That flip flying out the car. They about to arrest one of them, I bet you. The police might arrest one of them. They can't calm down.
Ranking he will. And he better have some lives.
Oh yeah, he about to arrest him. Yeah, he about to detain him. Yeah.
Where are we gonna get out of here?
He is literally about to detain him. I knew it.
See, that's why I said all you have to do is just listen to the man tonight.
You're pregnant now. Don't lose the baby.
Calm down, okay? Calm.
That's nigga too.
They're not gonna take him to jail. They just want him to calm down.
Well, it's not over yet. Well, the one that was driving, he got to go to the hospital anyway.
Who needs that? I said the target's fine. He just got a cut on his arm. And he just hit his arm.
We got him pulling that driveway just in time.
Hey, calm down. They don't want
Come on in here, girl.
calm down. They don't want to take him. They just want him to calm down. I need to calm down.
Probably. That's probably.
I think it's just his hip.
It broke.
His vein, it was like squirting like that. So if blood pressure, it stopped. And really, it's here. I don't know if he has
So his back is not broken, is it? His back's not broken?
No, they
Okay.
checked his spine. He still feels it. He has feeling in his toes and his legs. So he probably dislocated his hip.
Oh, wow. We're going to find out shortly.
Oh, it's going to hurt.
Oh, I'm sure.
But for him to be the only one that was hurt like that,
Yeah,
they're
lucky.
very fortunate.
Very fortunate.
They hit the brick because I seen it when he hit. I thought they kept going. So I said,
Oh, you was behind him?
No, I was already in your parking
Oh.
lot. But I seen him when it hit it. I was on the phone. But I thought they just swerved back into traffic because traffic kept going. But when they started slowing down, then you came, you know.
Oh, it literally
just happened before you came.
So which way were they going?
They were going that way.
and fast.
Yes.
What they,
Another car involved?
No.
how fast were they going?
They were going fast.
They were flying around there.
And he probably didn't see it was talking. I think he hit the brick thing. He hit
So,
that thing.
Yeah, the mailbox. Tore mine's all up.
He was fine. He's okay there. I think it's just it's a walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. He's gonna be okay. But he's gonna be okay.
You alright, honey?
Is that his brother? The one that that's his brother? No, the one in the pink. They had stuff way in there.
I know.
You don't see that so much. I mean, I don't. When I worked in the school system, I saw all behind.
You should recognize some of these officers. They were courtesy officers in a lot of school systems. Did you in Durham? Where you working?
Get this from time home. You gotta get this from
Let them come through.
Fellowship Great.
But they weren't allowed to have them pants down in school.
No.
Fellowship Great. Rolling.
Okay, but today not today.
I know I did about
This one hurt moving now.
Oh, the car went over like this.
They must have been flying to do all that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't even tell you how many times I'm flying around this morning.
He was getting up pretty good.
Now they got contact with all this
That's kind of hurt.
Hold on.
I can't even sedate them and take them.
Oh, until they take him in the hospital?
They take them out. It's somebody.
I'm sorry?
I said this. I think there's somebody in the car someplace.
I think so. There's somebody sitting there? I don't think there's nobody else in there.
See the legs coming out the truck? No, that's the man's arm.
That's an arm? That's a coat.
Oh, that's the man.
Yeah, I say there's nobody else in there. I mean, they would have been on top of it if somebody else in there.
So you gonna do work on?
Nobody would be worried about
No, I'm
that.
just going to the baby because he's hard. Her mama let her have
Now you got to contact
Not
them.
the time for sure.
You got to contact the mothers of the children. Oh, get the boy. Oh, you're not the right with it. God.
This is ridiculous.
Is there somebody?
I don't think so.
They would have covered that up by now. They would have, and the guy wouldn't have been that mad punching our house if it was somebody in there.
Is it his car?
I don't know. I was like, mad that he punched the house. Pretty bad.
Thank you, Lord.
The car is
Everybody
horrible.
calling my uniform.